Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we will do next topic, that is triangles. First of all, we will state what is meant by a triangle. A triangle is a figure formed by three intersecting lines. It has three sides, three angles and three vertices. A triangle is a figure formed by three intersecting lines, It has three sides, three angles and three vertices. In the above figure, ABC is a triangle which has three sides, namely AB side, BC side and AC side. It has three angles, namely angle A, angle B and angle C. It has three vertices, A, B and C. Vertices are those points where two intersecting lines meet. For example, at A, there meet two intersecting lines AB and AC. Similarly, at B, there meet two intersecting lines AB and BC. Similarly, at C, there meet AC and BC. These are called vertices. In the above figure, triangle ABC has three sides, namely AB, BC and CA. It has three angles, namely angle A, angle B and angle C. It has three vertices, namely A, B and C. A, B and C. These are three vertices. After this, we will explain what are congruent figures. For example, these are figures, some figures A, B, C and D, E, F. This is another figure. These are two circles with centers O and O dash. These figures, if they have same shape and same size, these figures seem that they have same shape and same size. Those figures are called congruent figures. We will state what are congruent figures. Congruent figures are those figures which have same shape and same size, or in other words, they are equal in all respects. That is, if this is triangle ABC, this is triangle TF. If AB side is equal to D side, BC side is equal to EF side, AC side is equal to DF side, we will say that these two figures are congruent. And in congruent figures, for example, these two triangles, if we take, angle A will correspond to angle D, angle B will correspond to angle E and angle C will correspond to angle F. BC side will correspond to EF side, AB side will correspond to D side and AC side will correspond to DF side. We will say that triangle ABC will be congruent triangle DEF. If triangle ABC is congruent triangle PQR, if triangle ABC is congruent triangle PQR, ABC congruent triangle PQR, it means that AB side corresponds to PQ side. It means that AB side corresponds to PQ side of triangle PQR and BC side corresponds to Q side. QR side corresponds to QR side of triangle PQR and AC side corresponds to PR side of triangle PQR, and AC corresponds to side PR, to PR side. Also, angle A corresponds to angle P. This is corresponds to angle P. Angle B will correspond to angle Q, and angle C will correspond to angle R. Angle C will correspond to angle R. We will say that these two triangles, we will say that triangle ABC, this is congruent. This is congruent, symbol of congruency, triangle PQR. We will say that triangle ABC will be congruent triangle PQR. In these two congruent triangles, AB side will be equal to PQ side, BC side will be equal to QR side, AC side will be equal to PR side, angle A will be equal to angle P, angle P will be equal to angle Q, and angle C will be equal to angle R. After this, we will state criteria for congruence of two triangles. First is side angle side congruence rule. Side angle side congruence rule. Congruence rule. This rule states that two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and included angle of another triangle. That is, if there are two triangles A, B, C and D, F. If this condition follows that angle A and angle D is equal, AB side is equal to D side, AC side is equal to DF side, then these two triangles will be congruent. That is, if in triangle ABC and in triangle DEF. If in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB side is equal to D side, AC side is equal to DF side, AC side is equal to DF side. In these two sides included angle is in this triangle ABC, angle A, included side is in this triangle angle D. If angle A is equal to angle D, then triangle ABC will be congruent triangle DEF, triangle DEF. Also, after this point should be remembered. If triangle ABC is congruent triangle QPR, this what will state? This will state angle A will correspond to angle Q, angle B will correspond to angle P, and angle C will correspond to angle R. AB side will correspond to QP side, BC side will correspond to PR side, and AC side will correspond to QR side. That is, ABC triangle, QPR triangle, PR triangle. Angle A will correspond to angle Q, angle B will correspond to angle P, angle C will correspond to angle R. AB side will correspond to QP side, BC side will correspond to PR side, and AC side will correspond to QR side, which means AB side corresponds to QP side, BC side corresponds to PR side, and AC side corresponds to QR side. AC side corresponds to QR side. This means 1-1 correspondence. This means 1-1 correspondence. AC side will correspond to QR side. Also, angle A will correspond to angle Q, angle P will correspond to angle P, and angle C will correspond to angle R,